Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on my Vicon Vari-spreader vert spinner. You saw this in a couple of videos ago. I'd got it in the shed, I'd not done anything to it yet, but quite recently I got it stripped down and then sent it off for sandblasting. As you can see, took all the paint and the crap and the rust off. It's much easier than trying to do it with an angle grinder, trying to get in all the tight places. So this came back the other day. I got the hopper all sanded down and that's now primered. Probably gonna have another coat of primer and then it'll go into its cream once I've ordered the paint. But today we're going to be cleaning down the main frame of it, and I've got a load of spare parts over there as well that I'll hopefully clean down. So I'll probably do that as a little time lapse. So we'll get this outside, get the angle grinder and all that on it, and I'll do a little time lapse. So yeah, here we go. Right guys, so I didn't get all of that on camera because my battery died. I'm actually filming this on my phone, but I got it all sanded down and now I've got it a nice coat of primer all over, other than this this dish here which needs sanding down by hand because it's plastic, and then that'll get a coat of grey. So it's looking a lot better now. It's come up quite well, looks quite smooth. There is pitting on it like here, it's just unavoidable really with the age of it, but yeah, it's not looking too bad. So the next video will be hopefully in between videos I've got some parts in there
that need sanding down for it. We'll get them in primer, and then it's just a case of top coat. Put it all back together and put some new stickers on it, which I've already got, sort of thing. I ordered them a while ago. So yeah, and then it will be done. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if you did, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.